Declassified targeting pod footage from Operation Epic Fury has flooded the internet. We see the crosshairs, we see the impacts, but what exactly are we looking at? Is it a Hellfire missile, a laser-guided bomb? Today, on Avia Addict, we are doing a deep OSINT dive to deconstruct these thermal images and reveal the exact surgical weapons being used in the skies of the Middle East. Let's start with this strike on a parked fighter jet. Look closely at the projectile. Notice the steep, almost vertical angle of attack. There is no exhaust plume, and the shape is relatively thick. This tells us we are likely looking at a free-fall weapon, specifically a 500-pound GBU, 12 paveway, 2 laser-guided bomb. A 500-pounder is the perfect tactical choice here. It completely destroys the aircraft without creating a massive crater that would render the runway unusable for future operations. But Operation Epic Fury isn't just about hitting massive radar sites. It's about neutralizing the drone threat before it even gets airborne. Look at this freshly unclassified footage. The target in the crosshairs has a distinct delta wing shape. Those are loitering munitions sitting directly on their launch rails. This is a surgical strike using a Hellfire missile or a laser-guided APKWS rocket, completely denying the enemy their drone swarm capability. The game changes entirely when the target is moving at highway speeds. The UI elements in this thermal footage, the brackets and the crosshair, strongly suggest we are looking through the targeting system of an MQ-9 Reaper drone. But here is the ultimate OSINT question. If this drone fired a Hellfire missile, where is the rocket exhaust? The answer is in the physics. The Hellfire's solid rocket motor only burns for the first 2 to 3 seconds. After that, it coasts the rest of the way to the target, appearing completely cold and dark on thermal cameras in its terminal phase. Finally, look closely at this hangar strike. Usually, destroying an aircraft inside a hardened concrete shelter requires a massive 2,000-pound bunker buster dropped directly on the roof. But watch the structure. The concrete roof doesn't collapse. The explosion is entirely contained inside. This is what fighter crews call threading the needle. Instead of wasting a heavy bomb to crush the roof, the operator painted the target right through the open hangar doors. A precision missile flew straight into the opening, vaporizing the fighter jet while leaving the bunker completely intact. A true masterclass in surgical precision. Analyzing thermal footage gives us a raw, unfiltered look at the realities of modern air combat. The technology is terrifyingly precise. What do you guys think was used in these strikes? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to Avia Addict for more deep dives into military aviation. And as always, stay sharp and fly safe.